Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. Exercise number 4. Assembly of sliding joints.
First, click on the new assembly, then select Insert Components. Browse for the component to be assembled. Now, again select Insert Components and select the new component to be assembled within the part. Now, select the top face and the bottom face of the components and give coincident mate. Now, select the front plane of both the components and give distance mate. Specify the distance up to which the plane or the new component to be offsetted. Now, select the right plane of both the components and give coincident mate. Under linear pattern command, select the mirror command and now give the front plane of the first component at the axis of the mirror and specify the entities to be mirrored. Now, select the insert component and pick on the new component to be assembled within the part. Select the faces of the part and the new component and give coincident mate. Now, select the right plane of the assembled part and front plane of the new component and give distance mate. Specify the distance up to which the new component is to be offsetted. Now, under linear pattern, select mirror component command and specify the right plane of the previously assembled part as the axis of mirror and give the entities to be mirrored. Again, select the mirror component command and give the front plane as the mirror axis and specify the entities to be mirrored. Now, select the insert components and search for the new component to be assembled within the part. Select the cylindrical surface of the new component and hold within the part and give concentric make. In order to prevent the rotation of this component, click on lock rotation. Now, select the faces of the new component on the part and give coincident mate. Now, select insert components and select the component to be assembled within this part. Select the whole of the new component and the cylindrical face of the assembled part and give concentric mate. Now, select the faces of the new component and the part and give coincident mate. Now, select the right plane of the assembled part and the front plane of the new component and give angle mate. Limit the angle of rotation by specifying the maximum and minimum angles within the angle mate option. Change the mate alignment of the new component. That's it. Our assembly is done.